Namaste. On behalf of Team Kona, I wish you and your families a happy and festive Deepavali. Deepavali or Diwali is the most popular Hindu festival celebrated across the world, from Australia to America and from Trinidad to Tokyo. It showcases the unity and diversity of the Hindu tradition and the quintessential journey from untruth to the truth, from darkness to light, and from death to immortality. Our great ancestors provided us the tools not to elevate just ourselves, but to everything and everyone around us. The ethos of mutual respect, well-being, and sustenance are reflected in the 5 days of Deepavali and encourage us to pass these values down to future generations. As you celebrate with your loved ones, enjoy those sweets, the family gatherings, and the fireworks. Here are some wishes from our volunteers who come from a diversity of backgrounds, regional, linguistic, social, and so on. Some are born in the United States and Canada, while others are born in India and other parts of the world.
आपको और आपके परिवार के सभी लोगों को दिवाली की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं।
नमस्कारः। दीपस्य प्रकाशः न केवलं भवतः गृहम् उज्ज्वालयतु जीवनम् अपि। शुभ दीपावली।
शुभम दीपावली எல்லாவருக்கும் தீபாவளி ஆசம்சகள்.
வணக்கம். வட அமெரிக்க இந்து மக்கள் முன்னணி சார்பாக உங்கள் அனைவருக்கும் எங்களுடைய மனமார்ந்த தீபாவளி நல்வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறோம்.
અને તમારા પરિવારને દીપાવલીની શુભકામના.
આપણા સર્વાંના દિવાળીच्या હાર્दिक શુભેચ્છા. শুভ দীপাবলি।
নমস্কার, শুভ দীপাবলি আর কালী পূজার শুভেচ্ছা।
ನಮಸ್ತೆ, ಕೋನದ ಸದಸ್ಯರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಬಂಧು ಬಾಂಧವರಿಗೂ ದೀಪಾವಳಿಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು।
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਦੀਵਾਲੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ।
2021 has been an exciting year for Kona as we continue to grow our grassroots presence and activities in the United States and Canada. From helping a New York mother whose child was taken away by Child Protective Services on wrongful accusations and misinterpretation of Hindu practices, to holding the first ever congressional briefing highlighting systemic biases against Hindu Americans in academia, media, and the mainstream. We also helped defeat bills in New York and New Jersey that would deem the sacred swastika as a symbol of hatred, and stood with Rutgers students who voiced concerns against bigotry being peddled by certain academics at Rutgers University, receiving support from over 75 American temples and spiritual organizations who called upon Rutgers to combat Hindu phobia and to ensure that Hindu students feel safe and included on campus. In August, we launched one of the largest grassroots advocacy campaigns challenging the Dismantling Global Hindutva Conference, where speakers openly targeted Hinduism and called for its dismantling. The campaign was supported by 160 plus Hindu and non-Hindu organizations and allies who signed our coalition letter urging universities to distance themselves from this conference. Thousands of parents, alumni, students, as well as faculty members and community leaders also wrote letters and made phone calls to the universities. Our Hindu Parents Network has equipped over 700 parents with an understanding of the current challenges and narratives faced by Hindu kids in schools and colleges, and empowered them to engage their kids in a meaningful manner in order to remove common misconceptions around Hinduism and social justice. We also initiated dialogues with various school districts in the United States and Canada to ensure that Hinduism is fairly represented in classrooms and teaching materials, and encourage parents to run for school boards and get involved in local affairs. Our Decolonize campaign challenged outdated colonial and racist theories about Hindus and the caste system, as well as various Hindu-phobic caste resolutions that would single out and target Hindu Americans as well as people of Indian origin. In collaboration with other organizations, groups, and allies, we successfully defeated attempts to pass such a resolution in Santa Clara County. This year also marked the 50th anniversary of the Bangladeshi Hindu genocide, as well as the 100 years of Mapila riots that unleashed horrific atrocities against Hindus in the Indian state of Kerala. Our team held a series of events and interviews, wrote articles, and created infographics highlighting these historically painful episodes. October also saw the horrific violence against Bangladeshi Hindus on the sacred festival of Durga Puja. We collaborated with various organizations around North America to protest the violence, as well as called upon the Bangladeshi government to protect the human rights of Hindus and other religious minorities in the country. Our campaign also sent out emails to lawmakers both in the United States and Canada, urging them to speak out against the violence and bigotry. In October, we collaborated with various Hindu organizations around the historic Hindu Heritage Month celebrations across the United States where 25 plus states and 30 plus cities and towns passed resolutions recognizing the contributions of the Hindu American community. All this and more has only been possible through your generous donation and wholehearted support. But I would be remiss if I did not thank our dynamic team of volunteers. Without their tireless efforts and dedication, we cannot accomplish all that we have done. So once again, I wish you and your loved ones a happy Deepavali on behalf of Team Kona. And for those of us who celebrate a new year, wishing you all a happy new year. Namaste and Jai Shri Krishna.